What up, everybody? So today we're gonna be opening my ice cream beauty box of February. Look at the box. It's so nice. So nice. So pretty. So let's see what we got in here. We got the card, like always. That's the one thing I love about Ice Cream Beauty. So first up, it's a lipstick by Medusa Makeup. Let's see, in the color Fire Up. This gotta be red, right? This is Fire Up. Oh, I like the component. Very sleek. What did I say? Beautiful red. Beautiful. I was about to say, maybe try it on. All I have is lip balm on. Let's try it. Let's wipe the lip balm off. It feels amazing. How do I look? I look crazy. PJs and I'm wearing this lipstick. But it looks good. Feels good. Nice. Alright, next up, bubble wrap. Oh, this is the Mirabella Glow. It says mattifying protective pressed powder in lead glit compact. That's what it looks like. Universal hyaluronic pressed powder. The pressed powder I like the most is my She Glam and then my Maybelline one. Oh, this is pretty. So pretty. Oh, look, it has a light. It has a little puff. They need a better puff. This is so luxe. And you got this flimsy puff. Couldn't get like a velour puff, but this is nice to have the LED light. Check my lipstick. So pretty. This is a win. Well, I don't know because I gotta try it and I'll try it in my next video. Alright, next up we have the Peony Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub with shea butter, safflower, avocado, sweet almond, jojoba, and pumpkin oil. It says it buffs away dead skin, moisturizes and revives lip, gives a radiant finish. It's tiny, itty bitty, tiny, tiny, tiny. Alright, it just says a soft buttery salve mixed with tiny crystallized sugar granules and gentle buff away dead skin and stubborn makeup residue from your lips. Infused with botanical extracts of pink butterfly bush. Yeah, butterfly bush, hibiscus, and noni. This lip scrub not only acts as a natural exfoliator, it also imparts moisture and vitamins and a healthy, radiant sheen to your lip. Alright, it's tiny, but if it works, it works. Alright. Oh, we got two palettes. Oh, let me get this out of the way. Oh, look at it. We got a brush. This is by Moonslice Beauty. Oh my god. Look at that. It's a heart. It's super soft. Let me fix it. Because if you brush it a little too much, the heart gets wonky. Yeah, the heart gets very wonky. I don't know how to fix it. I guess it's the best it's gonna get. Oh, this is... Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. This would be good for powder. Alright, right to my brush set. Alright, next is from Moira, Like a Melody eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is so pretty. I hope the colors match the outside. Yes, you have one shimmer, one glitter. This I love. You know, I could do all these right here, colors together, and then these down here. Oh, I just tapped in a color. Alright, let's do the shimmer. Shimmer, where are you? It's like powdery. Oh, okay, that's better. Let's get this little glittery purple. Not bad. Not bad at all. Everything has great pigment. Look at that. Those got payoff. Those didn't swatch as great, but I'm wondering if on the eyes, you know what I mean? Next up is actually a product that I already own. I got it from an Ipsy, I believe. So this is something that I own, which I actually love, actually. It's the Ofra Head in the Clouds Mini Mix Face Palette. Like that. And look. And I've used this shade right here. No, the purple. This one. Actually, I've used both. These two I use. This one and this one. And they're not as intimidating as they look. They're actually pretty damn... I've never used the orange. And I actually used this here on my eye look on my last video. I added it, and the purple for my pink purple eye look. I have another one of these. So, not bad. I like this box this month. So, let's get prices. The Like a Melody palette by Morga is $12 for a palette. That's pretty good. And everything's swatched pretty damn good. Head in the Clouds Face Palette by Ofra is $42. Heart Face Brush by Moonslice Beauty is $15. Hyaluronic Setting Powder by Mirabelle is $45. Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub by Ofra Cosmetics is $10. What? What? That little cutie thing? $10? Oh no. No, no, no. Maybe $5. Creamy Lipstick by MEDUSA'S Makeup is $14. I think this box was pretty good. You got 6 products, you got 2 palettes. I gotta say, it pretty damn good. But if you like this video, please consider subscribing, like, comment, share. It helps my channel a lot, and it helps you curate your channel, and it recommends videos that you enjoy. If you curate and you comment and like and subscribe to channels, they'll recommend other channels like this one. So if you can just give me a subscribe, I want to reach 100. I'm at 92. That would be it would be so great. People might think, oh, you only want 100, you know, you should be striving for more. Yeah, I want more. I want 1,000. But I know it's gonna take time, and I want to be realistic. So I want to get to 100, then 200, and 300. You know what I mean? So I want to climb organically. I don't want to get fake subscribes and pay money so I can grow fast. I'm just a disabled lady at 40 that enjoys unboxing subscriptions and that loves makeup now. That started to love makeup. So I don't know. I just enjoy it, and I'm not doing this for the money. I can't build my channel where I'm making thousands of dollars. I'm not in it for thousands of dollars. I do it because I enjoy it, and this is all I do, and it helps me because with my chronic illness, I'm in bed most of the day in pain, and some days it's worse than others, and that's why I would post almost every day if I could. But with my illness and pain, I can't do that. I can't commit to that. So I try my hardest to build this channel organically with a couple videos a week, one maybe a week, sometimes none a week. So I can't be consistent. I can't commit to that. But being able to come here once, two times, 3 times a month, a week, I'm having fun and I'm enjoying it. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Again, subscribe, like, comment. It would mean the world to me. Bye.